Welcome back to your second session of virtual gym classes. I hope that everyone is settling into the new year, and I hope that you can use some of this material to help you stay active and healthy at home. So let's jump into it and see what the second session has in store. Okay, today our learning objective is I can participate in the activities provided at home to stay active and healthy. On our agenda, we are going to start with a Old Town Road warm-up dance. We're going to jump into an activity called Pattern Fitness, and then we're going to finish with an activity called Sock Toss Challenge.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse through the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse through the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black and mad. Riding on a horse, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on the tractor, all in my blood. Cheated on my buddy. You can't go and ask. My life is a movie, but riding in cowboy hat from Gucci. Wrangler on my can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Hat down, cross town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar. Baby's got a habit, diamond rings and Fendi sports. Riding down Rodeo in my Maserati sports car. Got no stress, I've been through all that. I'm the man, so I keep going back. Wish I could roll on back to that old town road. I wanna ride till I can't. Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Okay, I hope you had a little bit of fun with the dance warm-up. Now we are going to jump into our first activity. Our first activity is an activity called Pattern Fitness. Your job is going to be to look at the images provided on the slides in the interactive slideshow, and you need to determine which exercise is missing in the pattern. So, for example, in our image on this slide, the missing exercise was a 20-second leg stretch. So your job, once you've identified the missing exercise, is to perform the exercise that was missing. Try to have some fun, and let's see what's on the next couple slides. Okay, pattern number 1. Are you able to find the missing exercise? Your job is to determine which exercise belongs in the spot where the question mark is. If you're using the interactive slideshow, there will be a link provided that gives you a demonstration on how the exercise is performed. I'll give you about 10 seconds to determine which exercise is missing. The missing exercise in this pattern was 30 seconds of a straddle stretch.
Start with a simple straddle sit with your legs about 90 degrees apart. You don't want them too straddle, that's more like middle splits, and you don't want them too acute of an angle either. So try to keep it about 90 degrees. and then go toward the middle. You just reach both hands in toward the middle and try to get your stomach flat on the ground. You just stretch as far as you can. If you can't go all the way down at first, that's okay. Then you can come back up and reach both hands towards your right leg. Try to put your nose in towards your knee, and you can do the same for the left side. Nose in toward the knee.
Pattern number 2, are you able to find the missing exercise? In this pattern, the missing exercise was 20 mountain climbers. Pattern number 3, are you able to find the missing exercise? In this pattern, the missing exercise was balancing on one foot for 30 seconds. And our last pattern, pattern number 4, are you able to find the missing exercise? In this pattern, the missing exercise was 25 windmills. Okay, now it's time for virtual trivia. Your brain break trivia question is, what's the biggest farm animal? The answer is the cow. The biggest cow on record was over 6 feet tall. Okay, for the last activity of this lesson, we have an activity called sock toss. The way that we play sock toss is that first you'll need to find something soft to throw and catch. So some ideas might include a pair of socks that you can stuff together, a small stuffed animal, maybe a winter hat or a pair of gloves, or you can even just crumple a piece of paper together. On the next couple slides, I will demonstrate how each sock toss challenge is performed. I want you to try your best with each activity and have some fun. The first sock toss challenge is tossing your item with 2 hands and catching with 2 hands. Let's see if you can do it 20 times. Your second sock toss challenge is tossing with 1 hand and catching with 1 hand. Remember, keep your eyes on your item when you're tossing it in the air. Let's see if you can do this 20 times. Your third sock toss challenge is the rainbow toss. You're going to be tossing your item from 1 hand to the other hand, so you're going to have to catch your item with only 1 hand across your body. Let's see if you can do this 20 times. Challenge number 4 is a bonus challenge. In challenge number 4, your job is to toss your item in the air. While your item is in the air, you're going to try and touch the ground and then catch your item before it hits the floor. Let's see if you can do this 12 times. The next 3 challenges are all bonus challenges. If you were somebody who thought the first 4 challenges were too easy, the next 3 challenges are a lot more difficult. Try your best to complete each bonus challenge. Bonus challenge number 5 is balancing on one foot. Bonus challenge number 6 is spin and catch. Bonus challenge number 7 is behind the back. I hope that you had some fun with your first virtual gym class lesson of the second session. I hope this encouraged you to get up and move at home. I hope that you had some fun watching Mr. S playing with his socks at his house, and I will see you next week.